Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this cute and so simple baby blanket border, or you can use this border everywhere. So simple, it's so easy. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for your support. And your kind comments. Thanks a lot again. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our so simple blanket border. Let's start to crochet. You remember previous video, we crochet our blanket. Now we will make a border on it. I use on this blanket 4.5 millimeter hook. On the border I will use 4 millimeter hook. And I use this size 3 yarn. You can see that. Also, you can use with this yarn 3.5. It will be suitable for that. Now, first of all, I will make a slip knot here. Then, insert my hook from my first stitch on the corner here. Yes, I will insert here and make single crochet. Then I have here loops. You can see that my stitch. I will make a single crochet in every each stitch. That's the plan, and this is our first row. I will make a single crochet in every each stitch. When I come to corner, I will turn to you. Okay. I come to corner, insert the corner and turn to the corner with 3 single crochet. Here 2 and 3. Turn it to easily. When you come to this side, here you can see 1 in this post space, 1 in the stitch, 1 in the space, 1 in the stitch. Okay, be careful that 2 sides have same stitch number. Okay, in the space, in the stitch. I come to end and turn to. I come to end, and this is corner. We start with 1 single crochet, add into this stitch 2 more, 1 and 2, and insert into the first one and join with a slip stitch. Turn to the corner like that. Then chain 3. Count. We make chain 3, count as our first double crochet, then make double crochet in every each stitch. When you come to corner, I will show you from here. You know we have here 1, 2, 3 single crochet. In the first one make 1 double, second one make 3 double, third one make 1 double. So you can turn easily. Okay, turn all around like that. Every stitch 1 double. Only come to corner, the middle stitch, the second stitch, you will make 3 double crochet. I complete after turn 2. Look at, I come to end. This is my corner's first stitch. Come to second one, make here 3 double, 1 in the same stitch, 2 in the same stitch, 3. I make 3. The third one I will make here 1 double crochet. Come to top of that and join with a slip stitch, and I turn here easily. Now we will start our border pattern. It's so simple but so cute. 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains I made. Then hold these chains like that. Insert your hook behind of these chains, grab your yarn like that, here, pull through one of them and take a loop here. Then insert your hook, get your hook behind of this chain, scrape your yarn, pull through one of them. 2, we will make it 8 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 2, 4, 6, 8 and 9 loops. Pull through 9 of them, locked with chain 1. Then skip 1, 2, insert into the third one and join with a single crochet. So cute! Count this single crochet 1, 2, 3 and 4. Add here 3 chains. Then get your hook behind of this chain, scrape your yarn here and pull through 1 like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull through 9 loops, locked with chain 1, skip 1, 2, insert into the third one, join with a single crochet. I will show you one more time, then I come to corner and show the corner to you. 1, 2, 3, because I have here single crochet, totally 4. Then hold my 4 chains like that, insert my hook behind of that, get this chain, grab my yarn, hold this loop and pull through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 9 loops. Pull through all together, locked with chain 1, skip 1 and 2, insert into the third one, join with a single crochet. Like that, I come to corner and turn to you. I make this 1, 2, skip, insert into the third one and join with a single crochet. I come to corner. Now 1, 2, 3 chains, add single crochet, it's 4. Get this loop like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 9 loops. Pull through all together, locked with chain 1. On the corner, I'm on the first stitch of the corner. Insert the middle stitch, not skip any. Here. Now make one more. 1, 2, 3. Make here again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull through all of them, locked with chain 1. Now we are on the corner's third stitch, not skip, insert into the third and join with a single crochet. Turn it like that, on the corner, not skip. Now I will make usual 1, 2, 3, get my loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, pull through all together, locked with chain 1. I'm out of the corner, so 1, 2 skip, insert into the third one and keep crocheting as same as. So I will turn to the corner so clearly. Complete my border and turn to you. I complete the border. I think it's so beautiful and so cute. I hope you like it. It's so simple. You can do that easily. You see in the video that you saw that. I hope you like it and you will try that. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.